Welcome to our fascinating journey through the animal kingdom. From the highest mountain peaks to the depths of the jungle, animals communicate using a rich tapestry of sounds. Today, we'll explore these unique vocalizations, uncovering the reasons behind these intriguing calls, chirps, and roars. Let's dive in and discover the symphony of sounds that surrounds us. The faithful companion dog, a familiar bark, a sign of recognition and greeting. The feline enigma cat, a gentle meow, a plea for attention or a tasty treat. The gentle giant cow, the deep moo of a cow echoes across the pasture. The woolly wanderer sheep, a chorus of bass, the sound of sheep on the move. The noble steed horse, a resounding neigh, a call that carries across the plains. The curious grunter pig, a playful oink, a sound that speaks of contentment. A spine-tingling roar, a declaration of power and dominance. A trumpeting call, a sound that reverberates through the savannah. A cacophony of chatter, the sound of social interaction. A haunting howl, a chilling sound that echoes in the night. A cheerful quack, a sound that conjures up images of ponds and rivers. A gentle cluck, the contented sound of a hen with her chicks. A piercing crow, a sound that signals the start of a new day. A soft hoot, a sound that pierces the stillness of the night. A warning honk, a signal to beware of intruders. The strutting turkey, a proud gobble, a sound that echoes across the farmyard. The feathered mimic parrot, a squawk or a mimic, a display of vocal dexterity. The city dweller pigeon, a gentle coo, a familiar sound in urban environments. The soaring eagle, a piercing screech, a sound that commands attention. The amphibious croaker frog, a chorus of ribbits, a serenade that fills the night air. The night musician cricket, a rhythmic chirp, a soothing sound of summer evenings. The busy buzzer bee, a busy buzz, the sound of pollination in action. The tiny terror mosquito, an irritating whine, a sound that signals the approach of a bloodsucker. The silent serpent snake, a warning hiss, a defense mechanism to ward off threats. The river monster crocodile, a guttural growl, a primal sound that evokes fear. And there you have it, a symphony of sounds from the animal kingdom, each one unique and fascinating. From the roar of a lion to the gentle coo of a pigeon, these sounds remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.